Hello. Isa lang masasabi ko.
Agad na!
Nagtatanong kasi siya kung may service daw. Madami pala. Love you guys. Thank you.
Hi, Zainab. Kamusta ka naman? I know, kakastop ko lang ulit sa'yo. And I just feel like a lot of us here can relate. It's like watching you, it's such an experience because you radiate such positive vibes. And you've been making content for the longest time. So it's really like growing up with viewers. And I know you just recently went to Thailand with Daddy Ray.
Yes.
Kamusta naman yun?
Actually, masaya kasi panalo tayo. Puso. Yes, diba? We get gold medal sa Thailand and super happy. Actually, third time ko na sa Thailand. Love ko din ang Thailand. Like, pwede akong pumunta ng to shop, to eat, and to chill. Especially malapit lang naman sa atin ang Thailand. I love the culture too.
That's so true. And any besties here who have also been to Thailand? Can you say clap?
Yes,
Yeah. So we really know them for their food. Good food, you know, pad thai, pad krapao.
Ay, mango.
Ayun pa. Sticky rice.
Ay, mango rice.
We know them for their fashion. Nag-shopping ka ba doon, Zainab?
Yes. Guilty. Ang sarap mag-tianggi doon. Sobrang sarap, especially the night market. Napakamura. Hindi ko magawa dito eh. So doon na lang. Doon ako nag-shopping every Christmas season.
True. If hindi tayo mag-shop sa TikTok shop, punta na lang sa Thailand. Okay? Anyway, so I think very underrated yung skincare nila. That's why we are bringing Jenny Moon here in the Philippines. So I have to ask, I'm sure our guest wants to know too, what do you love most about the product?
Especially, number one na siguro yung name. But before pa, bago pa nila ako i-contact to be their ambassador, nakikita ko na siya. Tapos nung before ako talagang mag-shoot sa Jenny Moon, meron akong isang ninang na gumagamit ng Jenny Moon product, the cream. Tapos nung sinabi niya, Jenny Moon to, actually trending na nga talaga ang Jenny Moon, di ba? Like, before magka-ambassador, magkaroon ng endorser, talagang marami nang gumagamit. And sinong hindi, di ba?
Yeah.
It's Jenny Moon. Like, I'm a stan talaga ako ni Jenny. Bias ko talaga si Jenny sa Blackpink. And also, I really love Moon. Kung alam niyo, meron akong Moon yung pangalan. So talaga parang nag-perfect alignment na lahat. Na parang, oh, para sa akin ata to. And then when I tried the product, especially the cream, kasi lagi ako sa Japan, kung alam niyo din, sobrang dry ng skin ko because of Japan. The weather there, super cold. And kapag talagang ina-apply ko yung cream, alam niyo na, glow. And sa mga nakakapansin, ano ginagawa ko, bakit sumobra yung glow ko, bakit tinry ko kasi yung sabon. So hindi ko in-expect na ganito pala yung effect niya. And sabi ko, sige, magbe-bitch na lang ako. Para mag-tan back uli ako. Kaya lang, consistent talaga. At ang maganda dito, hindi siya nakakabalat ng skin. Unlike other ng sabon, di ba? Kapag gumamit kayo ng pampaputi or what, nagbabalat, nagpipil, or kaya naman nagkakaroon ng sunog effect. So yun yung maganda sa product natin. Talagang parang ordinary sabon lang siya. At take note, sobrang bango. Kung may mga stocks tayo dyan, pwede nyung amoyin. Yun ang number one favorite ko, yung scent. Sobrang bango.
I love it. Yung pala yung strategy, guys. Dapat ka endorser para only supply of the products. And true, I love the smell. It's like watermelon with rose, like that.
Tsaka yung color, it's giving wedding, burgundy.
Yeah. Nakaka-enjoy mag-shower when you have
Yes.
it. So ayan o, I think mas lalo tayo na-excite and na-curious about Jenny Moon, right, besties?
Yes.
Parang gusto na natin i-check out.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Zainab.
Thank you for having me, everyone. Thank you so much.